Started recording. So today's topic is release procedure. Okay, how we are going to release a purchasing document or your PR document, right? Any purchasing related document. So let me open Excel. So today we'll see release procedure for PR. For PR. Okay. Here, let's take what are all possible combinations. Why we will use the release procedure? First of all, for it is an approval process. Whatever we are creating any PR or any PO, it needs to hit some approvals, right? How this approval is designed, right, according to our business. So we can create different strategies, right? For material POs, it need to hit to different approvals. Right? For service purchase order, it need to hit different approvals. For these, who will decide all these approvals? What and all departments are involved? All these combinations we need to maintain the configuration in backend, right? So then only it will trigger for concerned people. So this we'll discuss with our business and then decide the release procedure. Okay, this release procedure of PR, let's say, for example, our plant is, in my case, my plant is NAC2, right? This is my plant. Okay, so my purchasing group in my company. Okay, let's say P01, P02, P03, that space is not 303. Okay, let's say this description is for this is SCM. Department wise, I have created purchase groups in my company. Okay, SCM separate purchasing group is there. Purchase management for IT department, separate purchasing group. For quality, separate purchasing group. Right, like that. I have purchasing group. Okay, one more combination. This is a department. Okay, next, document type. Document type I told, right? Standard, if you want, you can use NB, or else according to your business you can create your own document type. So in my company, what we are using Z1, Z2. Okay, any configuration should start with Z or Y, right? Z1 is for material PR. If the PR is related to any material, we will use this document type. Initially, we'll select right document type NB or something. So I will create my own document type. This is for material PR. Z2 is for service PR. Okay. So like create a document type. So now we'll see on these three different combinations, we can create a release procedure, release strategy. So whenever I'm using this plant and this purchase organization, right, and this document type, my release strategy should trigger, right? Like this combination I can set in system. How to do that I will we'll see. Before that, now I will explain on different combinations what we can try in release procedure. Okay, let's say your plant is again this NAC2, right? So we'll use first combination. Purchase group is P01. For P01, I will use one document type Z1. Okay, and I will set the level of approval here. So everything I will show it in SAP again. I'm explaining. Okay, whenever I'm creating, I'm using this plant and this purchase order SCM. Okay, and it is for material PR. So how many approvals it should hit? Let's say it will go for manager, right? And it will go for HOD of that concerned department. Like 2 approvals I will give. Okay, whenever this combination comes, okay, it will hit to these 2 approvals. Okay, whenever one more combination will see NAC2 plant, right? And again I will use P01 only, this department. See here, my document type I will change Z2. Okay, and Z2 is document type service purchase order, service PR. So whenever I'm creating document type Z2 for service PR, it will hit to only manager. Right? it will trigger only, it will hit to only manager. Okay, here I will not keep 2 approvals. This is depend upon business. If you want, again, you can put a few more approvals. So what I am using here, I will keep only 1 level of approval. This is manager. Okay, again, one more strategy. MAC2, again, plant is same. Here, what will do? I will change the purchase order. P02. This is IT. Okay, IT department. For IT department, whenever here change, again here this is no, again I will use material only Z1, Z1. Here this one is changed, right? So whenever this comes, it will hit to 3 people: manager, senior manager. Again, this no level of approval depends upon your business. It will hit to HOD, right? So 3 to different combination you should see whenever this plant, this purchase organization, so this purchase group and this document type, material document type I'm using, it will hit to these 2 people. Whenever I changed my document type, it will hit to only 1 manager. Whenever I am changing one more combination here, it will hit to 3 people. Okay, this like this we can set up in SAP so that it will trigger. So for this one I will give R1. This is my release strategy R1. This is my strategy. I'll keep R2. This is my strategy R3. Okay. So far clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how to do this one in SAP? For that again we have steps is here. Okay. First what we need to do, we need to create this one, right? This planned purchase group. This we need to create it as a characteristics in SAP. Okay. Create a characteristic in SAP. Second, we need to create a class. What is this class and all we'll see. Okay. Then we'll create a release group. Okay, we'll create a release group and we'll assign the class, this class to this release group. Okay, then 4th step. Here what we'll do, here we'll do the release codes. Release codes means this designation. This will create manager, HOD, right? Senior manager, right? This and all will give one code will give and will create release codes. Right. Next 5th step. What we'll do here, we'll do the release indicators. Really, release indicators will give, indicators will give. For example, so whenever this combination comes now in PR, so it will trigger release strategy. It will go for initially, it will go for manager, and then once he approved, then it will go for HOD. Only manager is approved. This HOD is not approved means it is blocked, right? It will not release. So whether it is blocked or released, that and all, that release indicator it will decide. Okay, this will configure in backend. When both people are approved means it is the status will be released. If only one person is approved means it is blocked. Okay, see here you can see if these 2 persons are approved and this HOD is not approved means again status is blocked. When all these people are approved means then only it will show released. Okay, this will decide this release strategy, release indicators. Okay, and 6th step is the release strategy. Okay, release strategy means this one. This one I showed, right? This one will give the release strategy. R1 in my release one. I know release strategy 1. I will use these combinations and I will give this release codes. These level of approvals will give. This is my release strategy 1. Right? Release strategy 2, release strategy 3. Like that, 3 different strategies I will create in this step. Okay. So we'll see your step. Then your workflow will be there. Okay, and then classification. Okay, this will see. This is CL20N. CD04 code. Okay, create a class. CL20 CL02. Okay, this is a P code. Both I will show. Okay, so far clear. I will open SAP. I will I will come back to this screen again so that you will understand clear. One second.
Yep.
Okay, don't try to practice with me. Okay? Keep your sessions logged on. Okay, before doing this, I will create all the. First I will create only. Whatever I mentioned here, right? This one, document type, these purchase groups, right? These two I will create it in system first. Okay, so that same configuration we can use, right? So to create a document type, well, we can go SPRO, material management, right? Again, purchase order, like that you can go. So what I want, purchase requisition here. Purchase requisition I'll do. I'm creating release procedure for purchase PR, right? Purchase requisition. So here, document type, define document type. We'll go here. I will copy from standard. Standard is what? NB. This one we have used, right? For practice. Copy this and create Z1. And it already exists. I will delete. Create Z1. Okay, I will create. Because whatever I showed in that system, I will same thing I will create it. Z2. One is for material, another one is for this one, right? Okay. Now it's fine. I will save this one. Now I will copy again. Standard is NP. Okay, this one NP1. Copy. Create Z1. Copy all. Okay, Z1 is created. So I will copy this one again. I will create Z2. So description I will enter. This is for service PR. Okay. And Z1 is for material PR. Z1 is for material PR. Save it. Okay, just I will check here. All of them are allowed here. Okay. Linking is also there. Yeah. Okay, I have created document type. So whatever I showed, right? That one, Z1, Z2, my own document type I have created. So whenever you try to create here, slash ME51 and your PR. Here you can see, right? This is your document type. NB. This is standard, right? You can search here, your document type will come here. Z1. See here, material PR. Z2 is for service PR. Why it is not coming? See Z2, service PR. Right? So this is done. So what remaining? See here, Z1, Z2 I have created. And then I will create these three purchase groups. Sorry, purchase groups. Yeah. Department wise. So SEM, IT department, quality department. Right. So where you will create purchase group? Again, slash LME, SPRO, material management, purchase groups. Create purchase groups here. Here, new entry P01. P01 is already there. P01. Okay, this two will delete. I can create the same. New entry P01, P02, P03. Okay. So P01 is for the CM department. Next one is IT department. Purchase groups I'm creating. The third one is quality department. That's it. Okay. Now we'll create a release procedure. To go for release procedure here only. Okay. Purchasing only. PRO, material management, purchasing. Here, go for your purchase requisition. For PR, I'm creating release strategy, right? Release procedure. Go here, inside. Here, see release procedure. Procedure with classification. Here, I told right. Edit characteristic. First step, edit class. Then set up release procedure, and then tell the release. Okay. So first we'll edit the characteristics. So whatever combination I told, my combination is this planned, purchase group, and document type, right? These three combinations I took. If you want, you can take planned, right? Or whatever available here, you can take in PR, right? Your planned is there, purchase group is there, document type is there, right? Then what else is it? That whatever required purchase organization if required, that you can take. So three things I am not taking, okay, as a characteristics. These three things I need to create it in a configuration, right? So I will create it here. So my characteristics is, let's say, first one is I will create plant, right? PR underscore plant. Okay. And I will click here, create button. Okay, see. Now this basic data, no need to give anything here. No need to mention anything here. Just go for here additional data. Okay. So what we need to mention here, table name we need to mention. Okay. So here what you need to remember, table name for PR release is CBAN, CEBAN. Okay, CEBAN. Okay, this is a table name. So what is the field name for this plant? For this plant, we have a field name, right? For everything, we have a field name, right? I told, right? Tables I told, right? But material, vendors, everything I showed, right? For bin basic data one, right? Your material number, MATNR, right? These are the field names, right? Like this for plant, what is the field name you need to mention here? So how you will get the field name? So open one more screen. Right, S11. Here you can see table. One second. Stuck. One second. Oh, sorry. Just a little refresh. Yeah. Okay. So once you go into this SE11, so you need to mention the table name. Table name for PR I told, right? CBAN, CEBAN, which you mentioned here. Here you mentioned as CEBAN. That only you need to put it here. This is for PR. For PO, it is CEKKO. Okay. For PR, CEBAN. Okay. Just press enter. Go to display. It's here. All fields will come here. See here. This is requisition document type. See, for this document type, BSART is the field name. So now what we want, plant. See this plant. For plant, this is a field name, WERKS. Copy this, put it here. So what we have done, so I am creating a characteristic of plant. So that's why only this plant, I took the field name. Okay, table name is CBN. This is common for all the whatever characteristics you are creating, CBN only you need to put. Just press enter. Just enter. So all data will pick here. See here, for basic data, automatically it picked everything. For characteristics, everything it picked. So here you can put the single value. Okay. If you are giving multiple plants, then you can click the multiple values. Multiple plants in the sense here. Here I have given only one plant, right? If you want to use the same strategy for one more plant, here, for example, this strategy, you have one more plant. NAC3, you have one more plant. You can give NAC3 and you are using same strategy here. One more plant if you want to add means at that time here you can give multiple values. Now I don't want only one plant. I can give, right? So description, so everything is a topic. Don't need to give anything here. Okay, only these two you have entered. Okay, here in class type you just give for PR is 032. Okay. See, release strategy is 032. Okay, this one, rest the center and save it. I have created a characteristics for my plant. Now I will create total three I have, right? One is plant, document type, purchase group. All these three characteristics I need to create. This one, these three. 1, 2, 3. Now plant is done. Now I'll create it for purchase group. PUR purchase group. Okay, and just click create. Again, go to additional data. Table name is C1 here. Field name for this purchase group is where you will find. Go here again. Right, C11, put the C1, enter, and for purchase group, where is purchase group? Field name is EKGRP. Yes, here, purchase group. Top it is there. For this purchase group, my field name is EKGRP. Copy this, put it here. Okay, just press enter, it will copy from that other dictionary. So all data is copied. So if you want to enter, see here, right? Different purchase, departments you want to enter into a same strategy, then you can click multiple or single value. Right here, what I want to tell you, see here, my three strategies are there, right? Here for this purchase group and this Z1 document type, these two it is triggering, right? If you want to add one more here, for this quality also, this quality purchase group also, same strategy I want, means then to do this one, you require here multiple values. Here you need to pick this multiple value, or else only one you can add. Okay, what this? Only one you can add. To add multiple values also I will show you. Okay, single values, just press enter. Okay, restrictions here 032 is my release strategy, and I will save this. So I have created purchase group also. Okay, let's copy this. I'll maintain it in here. So the first one is PR underscore plant, right? PLA. Yeah. Which screen you are seeing? Okay, now third one is document type, right? Now create document type. PR underscore document type. Document type, and I will create. Okay, go here. Table is C1. Document type field name is purchase requisition document type BSART. Copy this. Paste it here. Enter. Okay, single value. Save. Restrictions. Okay. Enter. And save. Okay, see. 3 characters I have defined. So my first step is over here. This one is done. Right? Now I need to create a class. Okay. So this 3 characters I have defined. Now I will create a class. Go back. So this one is done. This one, CT04. 02 CL02 T code. Okay, now I'll define a class. Let's say my class is, one second, here 3 different PR underscore, right, characteristics I have defined. Okay, now class I will give one class. Okay, PR underscore class. Okay, this naming will you can give whatever. Here we'll give the class. Under this class now all these characteristics will come. That's why you need to define the class. Class type is again 32. That is a B strategy. 0, 32. This is common. Okay. And just create. Okay, just give the class for PR release. The same will work for PR, PO release also. Okay. So now today I will show PR, tomorrow PO I will show. Okay, now here in characteristics, this tab we need to mention our characteristics. These 3 characteristics we have defined it. All these 3 things copy, paste it here. So my class is assigned to my characteristics. Okay. And press enter. See here, all data pick. Okay, so your characteristics is assigned to your class, PR underscore class, and I will save this. So class I have created and assigned my characteristics. Next step is this one. Release group we need to create. See here, release group, release code, release indicator, release strategy, right? These all steps we need to do. Release group, then we need to test this, whatever we have created. It's working or not, we need to test it in while create PR and we need to check. We need to change the different things, whatever we have combination we have mentioned here. And we need to try everything here. These 3 combination I told, right? This plan, this purchase group and this document type, these 2 will trigger. And if I change this purchase group and these 3 will trigger. If I change the document type, only one it will hit. How it is hitting, right? That we'll see. In PR, we are having 2 types. One is you can release the PR header level also and item level also. Header and item level also. Okay. Okay, I will show you. First, we will go here in release group. First up, go release group. Here, I will create this. I will delete. Okay, save. Okay, I will create entry. Release group I will create. My release group is Z1. Z1 I will give, right? Z1. And I will assign it to my class. My class is PR underscore class. It's real class. This is my release group. Right here, you can give multiple release groups, but only one class will be there. You cannot assign multiple different class. You cannot assign it to same multi group. Right. So I have created one release group and I assign it to my class. Right. And I will save it. Okay, now release code. Release code means what I told. Release code is a designation. Whatever manager, whatever I told, right? That you need to create it here. Let's go. This old one I'm deleting. Whenever you guys are creating, what if mine is coming, don't, you can create it your own new one. So release group is whatever I create, Z1. Okay. Release code. What is the code? 1 second. Just I'll give the description here. This release code. Okay. So go to new entry. My release group is Z1. I created it. Z1. Just use Z1. 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 Release codes. This one. These things I will give. This manager, HOD, I told it. That one will create. This code is 01, 02, 03. Description. Description I will give. Okay, description. 01 is for manager. Manager. Senior manager. HOD. Okay, 3 level of approval I'm giving. These 3 persons I have created. Manager, HOD, right? Senior manager. Okay, just press enter and save it. But the release group will be common. Okay, this is the release group. That one I have created, right? First step. So it's blank now. Okay, 3 codes I have created. So what I have done, release group Z1 I have created. In this one, I have given a code to my under my group, release group. Now I will choose a release indicator. Release indicator means what? I told right here. See, many things are there. See, it's a blocked. P means yes means blocked, something and all they have created. Okay. So what I will give, I will delete this one. Save it. I will create my own release indicators. New entry. Okay. This is R I will give, or else I will copy. Copy. Okay. One second. Release indicator. Okay. I will go to. I will copy anyone. Okay. Here ID I will give R means released. Status I will give. Okay. R means released. When it is released, Okay, released for quotation, released for issue PO. Okay, these both things I will take. Else, if you know PR is released, then no, we are able to create this quotation PO also. If these two are not ticked, then if we know PR is released, then still we are not able to create these two things. So that's why you need to pick these two. Okay, changeable indicator. Let's say we'll put it here for changeable cannot be changed. I will put. Okay, why we are this one? I will explain once. Start explaining the PR. Okay, I will save. So these indicator R means release. Okay, so one more I will create. Copy this. So one more I will create, and the one is blocked B. In this one, you need to untick this one. Why? Because if the PR is blocked, right, then it should not allow us to create a quotation, right? So if anybody tries to create quotation for that PR, it will not allow because it is not released. That's why these two need to untick. If we tick, if we still allow, then still also it will allow for that particular PR. That's why I need to untick this one or block it. Okay, and save. Okay, these two is enough. Block and release. If you want, you can create P also partially release it. Okay, else these two is enough. Go back. Okay, release indicator is done. Now we'll go for release strategy. Okay, new entry. Okay, here release group is Z1 only. Okay, Z1. And my release strategy I will give R1. This one, first one. This first one. Okay. This first one. So these three combination, these two it will hit, right? So I will give the same thing here. Okay, this is material PR, right? This one P01 means SCM, right? This is material PR. Okay, so material PR I will give naming whatever you want you can give. For this one, who are the approvers? My 01 and manager and my 02. If you are confused, you just check here. 01 and 02, senior manager, or else your HOD. Enter. These two are my approvers for my this strategy, release one strategy, R1 strategy, or material PR. Okay, these two it will hit, right? So then you click this release prerequisite. Just click this down one. Why? Because it will come from top to bottom, right? Continue. Release status. See here. Here you can give your release status. See, if both are not approved, it is blocked. If any one is approved, it is blocked. B. If both are approved, then it is released. Okay, then R. Just enter. Now go and here. See here. Since both people are this 1 and 3, these two people are not approving, and status will show blocked only. If any one is approving, then also it will show blocked. If both are approved, then it will show released. Okay, then this is released status. This one is done. And go for classification here. Here, no need to mention anything here. Go back. Okay, this classification we will maintain last. Okay, release stimulation. Stimulate. This is fine. Let's save it. Save and then we need to stimulate. Okay. Over here. Stimulate release. Release already affected. Okay. This is done. Go back. Okay, so one more strategy, new entry. Now release group is again Z1, R2, release strategy 2. This is second one. First one is done. Okay, this one is done. Second one. Or combination of my plant, this purchase group, let's see here. Document type is changing, right? Whenever this combination comes, it should trigger this one. Only manager it will hit, senior manager. Okay, I will give like that. This one is service PR, right? Here Z2 document type means what? Service PR. So I will give that same description here. Service PR. Okay, for service PR I will give only manager. Okay, quickly I will do. For only one, it will be not there now. Need to do play status. See here, if this person is not approved, then blocked. If he is approved, it is released. Right, enter. Just check it here. See, blocked and released. First one, if it is not approved, blocked, approved, released. Thank you. Classification to do simulation. Just check. Okay, we need to save and then we need to do the simulation. Whether it is triggering, check. Then go for simulation. Okay, double click. Release is affected. Okay, done. Okay, my third strategy. Now we'll go new entry. Release group is Z1 only. And here release strategy is R3. Here, what I'm using. Okay, real PR only, but the group is changing here. Okay, for IT. Okay, IT plus material PR. See here, P02 purchase group. Okay, it's a IT PR for material. Okay, for this one, all three are there. 01. All three uploads are there, right? 02, 03. Yeah, all these three people are there. 3. Zero, 3. Enter. Okay, all the prerequisites again from down rightwards into. Continue. Okay, status. Okay, all three are not approved, blocked. Only last one released. Okay, if all three people are approved, then only released or else blocked. Application. What need to do here, back, stimulation. Okay, just save it and do the simulation. Okay. Why? What is the use of this classification? So you are you have done the 3 strategies, right? But how it will identify? Right? Whenever these 3 combination comes, then only it will trigger this one. Whenever these 3 comes, Z2 comes, then only it will trigger this. So we need to tell all these 3 things, right? Then we need to mention in classification here. Here also you can mention, or else separate T code is there. In that there also you can mention. Okay, so ITPR, right? So this one here, see plant purchase group, which plant you want to enter, which purchase group, which document type, that we need to mention here. Here also you can maintain, or else one more T code is there. There also you can mention. Okay, that T code I will show you. Now release strategy is done. Okay, so I have created R1, R2, R3. My 3 release strategy I have created. See here, R1, R2, R3. Whatever you have created, you can open and check. Okay, so now the classification. Classification is left, right? To do the classification, T code is CL20N. CL20N. Here also you can do, or else there also you can directly the screen will come. Right here my release group is Z1. Okay, my release strategy is first one I will take R1. Just now create it R1. Class will automatically pick. If it is not picking, you need to mention manually here your class. Okay, double click on it. See here which client you want. It is NAC2. Okay, which purchase group you want. See here, check and mention whatever you have created. Now here you have decided, or this client and this purchase organization SCM and this document type, these two will trigger. Okay, purchase group is P01. My document type is purchase document type. What I have created Z1. Z1, right? For material. Enter. Okay, see here. In case I showed, right, if you want to enter one more plant here, one more purchase organization here, you just need to select this one line here, and just here insert. Here, see insert. One more row will come here. You can mention P02, one more purchase group you want, you can mention. But it will not take, see, only one it is taking. Why? Because while creation of this release strategy, I have mentioned single value while creation of characteristics. Here. See here, characteristics or document type, anything. See here, check here. See here, single value I have mentioned, right? So that's why it will not allow. If it is multiple values, then it will allow me to enter multiple document type, multiple PR, right? That particular, this one, characteristics. Now, as of now, I will enter P0. Only single I have mentioned, only single I am entering. While you guys are practicing, you can try everything. Okay. Enter. And I will save it. So, this one is done. And Z1. One more strategy, R2. Enter it. Right. The class is not picking, I told, right? 1 second. Enter manually. Okay. CL20N, one more time I'll go here. My release group is Z1. R2. Okay, class is PR_class. This is my class, right? Okay, see, it's coming. My client is NAC2. Purchase group is P01. My document type is Z2 here. Second strategy here. This one, Z2. Only this one changed, right? Whenever this one, only this one will hit. This setup here, right? That's all. Z2. Enter. And I will save it. Okay. Next. Z1. Release strategy R3. Last one. Okay, double click on it. NAC2 plant. Purchase group. Here purchase group is changed. P02 and Z1. Right, see here. Third one, NAC2, P02, IT department. Okay, and this one. Document type is again Z1, material. Right. Third strategy will trigger. Okay, enter and save it. Okay, now everything is done. All configuration is done. Now, what we'll do? Check. We'll create a PR and we'll check. Okay, now it's triggering or not, whatever you have created is not check. /N ME51N. Okay, so all combinations we need to maintain, right? So what is my document type? First strategy is I will trigger. Okay, so Z1. Okay, next my material is Material, I will give any material which I have created. I will select here. Material by plant. Okay, yeah, in AC2. I will check my material, one more screen. MM60. My plant is in AC2. RM09 I will use. Okay, RM09. Okay, see here, my document type Z1, this is a material pair. My material plant is in AC2, and my document type, sorry, my purchase group, see purchase group P01. Okay, and quantity I will give 10, just press enter. Okay, and release date, delivery date 28, I will give enter, and I will click on this check button. 22 valuation price, I have to mention. Just give 100. Yes, see here, release strategy triggered. So we'll see here, go here, see, manager and HOD. Release strategy 1. For this one, I have given 2 level of approval for R1, right? So it is triggered. Now current status is blocked. Once I save this one, it is still blocked only. So what it will go, once I save this one, it will go to this man, this person. How it will go? We need to assign the this one in workflow. We need to assign it to ID. This ID we need to assign, and only it will go to this manager. Right, in his inbox it will come. Okay, he need to approve. Then it will go to HOD. He need to approve. Then only it is will release. Okay, see if you just enter. We'll save this one. Here you can try. Okay, so you are not able to say once it release strategy is hit, you are not able to change. Once I will save this one. Okay, see it is created. Now what I will do, I will copy this one. I will try to edit this. Still, it is not yet released. Okay, I will try to edit this one. Edit is ME52N. ME52. It will not allow. Why? Because changeable indicator na in release strategy. I have clicked not allowed here. $52N. Okay, here I will mention this one. My purchase equation I am mentioning. Okay. See here you are not able to make any changes here. Right? Here all are blocked. Why it is coming blocked? Because it's not yet released. This is one. If you release also, it will show it will not allow us to edit anything. Why? Because in the release strategy, now I have blocked this one. I will show you release indicator. Where I'll open one more screen here, I will show you. Flash and OLME. Your purchase equation. Release procedure. Classification. Set up release procedure. Here, release indicator. You can see here. Here is changeable indicator, right? Changeable, see here. Here, this is one. One means what? Cannot be changed. So that's why it will not allow to make any changes. Okay. So now I have saved my purchase, this one. What is that? Purchase equation. Okay, this one. Now we need to release this one, right? So how to release? For release, T code is ME54N. ME54N to release the PR, purchase request. ME54N. In real time, so it will go to that manager. No, it will come his inbox. Okay, once you double click, directly this screen will come. He can come here and he can this one release. Once you release this one, click here, it will release. Then it will go to next one down HOD. Once you click here, it will release again. Right? Both are released. Okay, just save it. Okay, now your PR is released. Okay, now using this PR, you can create a request for quotation, or no, you can use this directly. You can create a purchase order using this PR, right? Why? But it will allow us to create, right? We have ticked that one here. See here. So once it is blocked, these two are not allowed, right? So once it is released, see here, these two are allowed. You are able to create quotation and you are able to do the PO also. This changeable indicator one means you are not able to do any changes. Now you try to do this one. Let me open that screen. You try to edit this one. Now it is released, right? Go back here. Slash ME52N to edit. Let's see, everything is blocked. You are not going to edit anything. It will show all it is released, but you are not going to edit. If you want to edit, you go there and change. Okay, it is you can allow no edit. Instead of that one, you can choose 4. Okay, it will allow us to enter different release strategies. Here I will go. What I will do here this time? Here I will give 4. It will allow different changeable new strategy in case of new strategy. New strategy I am allowing. Okay. And for released also, I will go. For this one also I will give 4. And I will create one more PR. Okay, now I will create one more PR. Slash and ME51N. Okay, here I will use that one. Only one strategy I am trying, right? As of now, you can try different strategies what we have created, right? There are 2 different things. My client is NAC2, right? My material is RM08. This quantity 10. Okay, see purchase group P02 I will give. Okay, this is not maintained, it's coming. What is my material? I will check one second. M60. RM09X. 15 more minutes, guys. It will over. RM09. Okay, release date I will give. So it will trigger. How it will trigger? Just click check here. Variation price, tentative price. See here. List strategy, this time it is triggering R2, R3. Why? Because I am using this one. See, P02. My strategy 3. This one. P02, this one, and the Z1 combination. Right? It's like triggered the third one. Okay. You can see here, this is not blocked. Whenever I this time, first time I used, right, this full screen was blocked, right? Here I'm able to change the strategy. If I want, I can change here P01 again. P01. Why? Why it will allow? It is allowing me here to change the strategy because changeable indicator I changed from 1 to 4. 1 means it will not allow us to enter anything. If you want to know whatever you have mentioned initially, that only. Here I am able to change the strategy. See, P01 I will do. It will change. See, R1 strategy it will hit. See, 2. Right? If you want, you can change. See, document type I will change. Z2. R2 strategy I will hit. Okay. Z2 I will change. Okay. See, R2 it is hitting. Service PR. See. Right? Like this you can check early strategies. Right? So all 3 you understood, right? Few more concepts are there in this one. So we'll discuss in tomorrow's class. Any doubts? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Is now, then you will understand this. But topic you understood, right? How it is triggering. Once you practice, then you will came to know. Okay, if you done the correct configuration, it will trigger only. Okay. Concept you understood, guys?
Yes.
Yeah, Akshay.
Okay. Tomorrow I will revise this one. We'll create few more directly, this one, different one PRs I will show you. Okay. Workflow I will explain, remind me. So how it is going to this manager, we need to give some idea, right? This guy manager, which manager it will go in the company, right? How this will work, I will show it in workflow, okay, tomorrow's class. And then we'll create a release procedure PO also. Okay, how to, same thing. This is the same steps we'll use it for PO also. Okay, so in PO here we'll not use in any companies, whatever I seen, they will not use values here. Okay, in release strategy I have not mentioned values, but for PO we need to mention values. Okay, for example, up to 10,000 it will hit to 3 people. Once it is above 1 lakh it will hit to 4 people. Above 10 lakh and more it will hit to 5 people. Like that, different levels I can give based on my values, right? That also we can see it in tomorrow's class. Okay.
Okay.
Any questions?
No.
Okay. I will update this in a drive. Okay. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, Akshay.
Thank you, Akshay.